Usapan yung ibang...
And for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor. And for the record, Mr. President, we voted against resolution number 44. So to say that we have this resolution, yes, but there are senators who voted against it. And therefore, it is not necessarily our agreement with the points being raised by the good senator from Camarines Norte.
Meron lang po akong mga konting katanungan sa inyo. Sapagkat gusto ko po sanang ireklamo si Senator Pangilinan sa pagsigaw. Meron po ba sa rules natin na sinasabing pwede mong sigawan ng kapwa mo senador?
Maari po ba tayo ay mag-suspend muna para pag-usapan yung malakas na boses at wari
Mr.
pagsigaw ni Senator
excuse me,
Pangilinan?
nasa akin po yung floor.
Senator Padilla has
excuse
the
me.
floor. The chair is answering the question of Senator Padilla. Session is suspended.
Sir, di ako sumisigaw. Paasa mo, hihingi ako ng pangmali sa pagdating ng